Making peach preserves is really rather simple. It's a cup of this and a cup of that. We had jelly at every meal. If we didn't have dessert, we could eat bread and we could eat preserves. By the time I was 4 or 5, I was drinking coffee, and I left it loaded up with sugar and cream and a slice of butter floating on top. And then I could dunk my jelly bread into the coffee, and it was just wonderful. I just fell in love with that. About the time I turned 10, I followed my mom into the orchard. She did all the picking. We had baskets between us, and I'd have to sit there waiting for someone to drive into the yard. One day I had a fantastic day. I sold out before noon. I made $85, and I was just thrilled. And I thought, this is a good time to tell my dad, you know, I want to be a peach grower. And for the next hour, I had to listen to the benefits of a college education and basically don't become a peach farmer. And then I got shipped off to Texas A&M. We were all Corps at that time, so you had no non-regs at all on campus. There were 7,000 of us. I got my degree in history, and I started thinking about raising peaches. I started studying horticulture at A&M. Got to meet all the profs in horticulture, trying to learn how to raise peaches properly. I took my first paycheck, and I started buying peach trees. I realized that the jellies and the jams were really something extra, because so many people came back, and they began to say, you know, that peach preserves I bought from you tasted just like my mama's. And I said, bingo. I was teaching here at FHS, Fredericksburg High School, and Case Fischer showed up. And one day, I approached Case and I said, do you want a job? And he said, yeah. He became someone to talk to, someone to mentor, and so for 4 years, we did that. Out of the blue, he just said, I think we can do something with these jams and jellies. I knew that he had to go to A&M first, so I said, okay, but you go to college, and in 4 years, we'll talk. The first product we made was a jalapeno jelly. A lot of people said, you're crazy. And of course, Case is like a math scientist. He's experimenting things. And I said, Case, let's make an onion jelly. We knew we were on to something. And then Case decided to do a chipotle with a raspberry. That became the roasted raspberry chipotle sauce. Somehow we got nominated for having the best-selling product in the United States. And we won first place. And that just set off everything. It's just been unbelievable. It's been living a dream. My dad sending me to A&M was the best thing that could have happened to me. I want to say it really made me the person I am. You meet Aggies, you meet friends that will die for you. My roommate actually taught at West Point. He was brilliant. He died last October. So you make friends for life. Sorry. I met great friends at A&M, and I've never forgotten them, and you never will. As I look back at all the things that we've gone through, it's hard to describe the joy that having the second generation coming on board and knowing that what Case and I have started is going to continue into the next generation. The words really can't describe that. I'm so overjoyed. I mean, you can make an impact on the next generation. Why wouldn't you? If I have any legacy to leave over, it's that. I've been so blessed.